Imagine standing beneath a night sky filled with stars, and wondering, is this just empty space, or is there something deeper? Could the universe be conscious? This is the radical idea behind panpsychism, the belief that consciousness is a fundamental part of reality, not just in human brains, but in every particle, every atom. Sounds insane? Maybe, but from ancient Greek philosophers, to Renaissance scientists, to modern physicists, this idea refuses to die. Today, we're diving into one of the strangest and most beautiful theories in science and philosophy. What if the universe has a mind of its own? Over 2,600 years ago, a Greek philosopher named Thales observed how a magnet could attract metal. To him, this wasn't just a physical force, it was a sign that even dead objects had a soul. Thales famously said, "Everything is full of gods," a poetic way of saying, all matter might be alive with spirit. This is the earliest form of panpsychism, the idea that consciousness exists at the most fundamental level of nature, not just in humans, but in rocks, rivers, and stars. In the 17th century, Galileo Galilei kick-started the scientific revolution, but to do so, he had to strip the universe of its soul. Galileo declared that things like taste, color, and smell didn't truly exist out there in the world, they were just in our minds. The physical universe, in his view, was just lifeless matter, predictable, measurable, and unconscious. This paved the way for modern physics, but it also left consciousness floating in a kind of philosophical exile. Today, philosophers like David Chalmers call this the hard problem of consciousness. Why does physical activity in the brain give rise to feelings like pain, joy, or the color red? Panpsychism offers a bold alternative. What if consciousness didn't magically emerge from dead matter, but was always there, in some tiny form? Like puzzle pieces, each particle has a sliver of experience. When combined, like in your brain, it forms full human awareness. Some scientists are now taking panpsychism seriously. Renowned physicist Roger Penrose argues that consciousness cannot be explained by classical physics or algorithms. Others suggest that quantum mechanics, the bizarre physics of the smallest scales, might hold the key. There's even the integrated information theory, which proposes that any system with enough information and complexity, perhaps even the internet, could possess some level of awareness. If brains are conscious, and brains are made of particles, maybe those particles are conscious too, just a little. Picture this, you're floating alone in deep space. Stars pulse gently around you. Galaxies swirl like the breathing of a giant cosmic lung. You hear a soft hum, not from your own heart, but from the fabric of the universe itself. The stars seem to shift, forming a pattern, as if something is watching you. You're not dreaming, you are in the dream. A dream the universe might be having about itself. It sounds poetic, but sometimes, science begins with wonder. So, does this prove that the universe is conscious? Not yet. Panpsychism remains a controversial idea, but it gives us a powerful way to reimagine reality, not as dead and cold, but alive and mysterious. As philosopher Spinoza once said, mind and matter are two sides of the same coin. What if consciousness isn't an exception, but the rule? If this made you wonder, like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us below, do you believe the universe might be conscious? Or is it just human imagination?